Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting in Settings, go straight to Lock Screen so you change behavior now. Tap Wallpapers and Style or Lock Screen Preferences because Samsung mixes these. If the phone asks for your PIN, authenticate to proceed. This ensures you edit the right profile. Once done, locate Story, AOD Stories, or Magazine Unlock and switch them off. This first action removes the automated content source, so you stop getting rotating lock screen stories immediately and avoid later confusion. Next, prevent apps from re-enabling stories by removing their ability to supply content. Open the apps list and search for Samsung Free, Daily Magazine, or any lock screen service. Force stop and disable the app, and then revoke permissions like storage and network so background updates can't push new stories. Also open Samsung Themes and Wallpaper services to ensure no active story feeds remain. Doing this stops the source and keeps the lock screen static, rather than finish by restarting the device so system services reload without story feeds. After reboot, lock the screen and verify there are no rotating stories. If content still appears, go back to Apps, clear cache and data for lock screen, wallpaper, and Samsung free components, then retry. If nothing stops the behavior, update system software or reset lock screen settings, and make sure to back up before a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: if a third-party lock app is installed, disable or uninstall it first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.